In an open space office such as this one, it can get very noisy. This is why my colleagues use a headset during online calls. For me, as a hearing aid and cochlear implant users, headsets are not very comfortable because they hurt my ears when I put them on. This is why the second generation of Roger On comes with a headset mode. I can now place the Roger On using the stand on my desk and point it in my direction. Or I can attach it to my chest. Now the Roger On picks up my voice and my online counterpart can hear me loud and clear without background noise. I can now use the Roger On microphone with its integrated noise reduction technology, rather than the computer's microphone. With the audio from the online calls also streamed directly into my hearing aids, I and my online counterpart can actually benefit from a headset without actually needing to wear one. This is just one of the many features that Roger On offers for the modern workplace. Talk to your hearing care professionals or visit phonak.com to learn more.